MSI recently did their first MSIology event of 2023, in which they launched lots of new laptops and the newer versions of the existing ones. And in this video we are going to have a quick summary of the event covering all of the stuff about the latest MSI laptops. So here we go. First of all, let's talk about the Stealth 16 Studio. It comes with the latest Cooler Boost 5 technology that consists of 2 fans and 5 pipes to keep the device cool while playing heavy games. It also comes with an infrared Full HD resolution camera with Windows Hello along with a webcam shutter for better privacy. For audio, we got the trilateral speaker design that comes with total 6 Dynaudio speakers with Nahimic audio. The device is just 19.95 mm thick and it weighs 1.99 kg. So it is very lightweight and slim, so you can easily carry it around for gaming as well as business usage. Talking about the hardware, it comes with up to 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU with discrete graphics mode. The Stealth 16 Studio comes with a 20% larger touchpad. We got 100-watt USB Type-C PD charging. The magnesium aluminum alloy chassis is lightweight as well as durable. For keyboard, we got a perky RGB gaming keyboard by SteelSeries on the Stealth 16 Studio. It also comes with a fingerprint sensor. It features 2 DDR5 memory slots, so you can easily expand the memory whenever you want without facing any issue. We got a 16-inch QHD Plus display with 16:10 aspect ratio to provide more content with 240Hz refresh rate to get an amazing gaming experience. It comes with 99.9 watt-hour battery, that is the maximum capacity that you will get on any laptop. And for connectivity, we got Wi-Fi 6E, Thunderbolt 4 as well as an SD card slot. And then there is Stealth 14 Studio that is also the winner of CES Innovation Award 2023. It also comes with magnesium aluminum alloy body. Instead of the heat pipes, it comes with vapor chamber cooling. Just like Stealth 16, it also comes with mux switch. For display, we got a 14-inch QHD Plus display with 240Hz refresh rate, 16:10 aspect ratio, and just like Stealth 16, the Stealth 14 Studio also comes with webcam shutter as well as an infrared Full HD resolution camera for Windows Hello. It weighs just 1.7 kg and it is 19 mm thick, so it is very lightweight and slim considering it is a very powerful gaming laptop. The Stealth 14 Studio comes with Intel Core i7 13th Gen processor with maximum turbo of 5 GHz. And just like the Stealth 16, it also comes with NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU with the latest ray tracing and DLSS 3. Both Stealth 14 and 16 devices can be upgraded up to 2 TB storage and 64 GB RAM. And both of them got HDMI 2.1 that supports the transmission of 8K resolution videos at 60 Hz and 4K resolution videos up to 120 Hz. And then we got the Titan GT77HX. That is a gaming laptop that you can use to replace your gaming PC, as it comes with the most powerful mobile processor, the 13th Gen Intel Core i9 1390HX processor. It comes with a specially designed Cooler Boost Titan cooling solution that provides up to 40% performance boost with the help of 5.6 GHz 2P cores we got in the processor. It also comes with the best display on a gaming laptop, as it comes with world's first 4K resolution 144Hz display with mini LED technology, display HDR 1000 certification and 1,000:1 contrast ratio. It comes with plenty of RGB light to give you a perfect gaming experience with the best gaming laptop hardware. After that, we got the Raider GE HX series. It also comes with the Cooler Boost 5 with a dedicated pipe for VRAM. The Raider GE HX series also comes with the Intel Core i9 13980HX processor along with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPUs. It also comes with the latest PCI Gen 5 SSD and DDR5 RAM. It also comes with plenty of RGB lighting all around the chassis to give you the gaming vibe while you are using the device, along with the perky RGB Steel Key series keyboard. It also comes with the QHD Plus resolution display with 240Hz refresh rate and 16:10 aspect ratio. It also comes with 4 woofers and 2 speakers with Dynaudio and Nahimic. But the thing I love the most about the Raider G78HX is that it comes with a smart touchpad that is customizable and you can use it to quickly perform various actions and commands right from your touchpad to get the best user experience on a gaming laptop. MSI also announced the new Vector GP series devices that also comes with the same Cooler Boost 5 cooling technology with the Max discrete graphics mode, 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPU, QHD Plus resolution display with 240Hz refresh rate, Wi-Fi 6E, infrared Full HD resolution camera with webcam shutter, 90 Wh battery, Thunderbolt 4 port, Perky RGB Steel Series gaming keyboard with DDR5 memory. MSI also launched an entire new series of Cyborg 15 gaming laptop that comes with a futuristic looking blue keyboard, translucent design that allows you to see the internal components of the device, a futuristic looking back panel. It comes with up to 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, Full HD resolution, 144Hz display, 1.7mm key travel keyboard that will provide you a nice gaming experience as well as the typing experience. It also features the DDR5 memory and PCIe Gen 4 SSD. We got plenty of slots and ports on Cyborg 15 and it's going to be a great laptop for casual gaming. Other than the gaming laptops, MSI also announced some laptops for creators, including the Creator Z17 HX Studio that comes with 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX Studio GPU, vapor chamber cooling mechanism, 90 Wh battery, USB Type-C PD charging, PCIe Gen 5 SSD, DDR5 memory, infrared Full HD camera with Windows Hello fingerprint sensor, RGB Mystic light, and a true pixel display with 95% screen to body ratio. We got 4 2-watt DTS speakers with high-res audio certification, and the new Creator Z17 HX Studio is just 19mm thin. It also supports MSI Pen 2 that creators can use for artistic work on their Creator Z17 HX Studio. And the MSI Pen 2 is just super impressive because you cannot even use it as an stylus or a pen for your Creator Z17. You can even use it as a regular pencil to write on a paper. Because of this amazing feature, it also received the CES Innovation Award 2023. So this is something quite unique and impressive for sure. Along with all of these high-performing laptops, MSI also announced the new Prestige 13 Evo that weighs less than 1 kilogram. MSI also announced the Prestige 16 Studio with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPU, and then there is an Evo version as well that comes with Intel Evo i7 processor called as the Prestige 16 Evo. MSI also announced the new MSI Center that you can use to improve your productivity on MSI laptops, and it also announced that the MSI laptops now come with the surround sound effects thanks to Nahimic by SteelSeries. You can connect your MSI laptops with a Bluetooth speaker to create the surround sound effect to have an immersive gaming or movie experience. All of these newly announced laptops at the MSIology event are available for pre-order now. The link is given in the description below if you are interested in buying any of these new laptops. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.